So being part of the presidential committee, we get early sneak peek of the fall stuff where it's just us. Thanks to you guys. You guys are enjoying this. What's up, Bag Days? This is the reason why you're here, a sneak peek of the fall 2022 lineup. This is just for you. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, sharing the love. If you love anything, go ahead and comment down below what you're loving. If you want to, go ahead and get connected with me. All the information's down below. So enough of the chit chat. Let's get to it. Oh my God, Ryan, feel it. Feel it.
It feels very real.
Yeah.
Nice core to motorcycles. I went down this road just knowing for sustainability and educational resources for it. So it's something that a lot of mortgage companies are
Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Oh, that's, yeah, I like that. Some shit's where we take pictures.
Dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Ladies with the home decor, oh my gosh, look at the wicker. We were talking about it and it's elevated. We got the blanket right here, but check that out. How cute is that, okay? You guys check this one out too. Let's go behind. Look, they used like a large one right there for as a pot, okay? And then we have this currently, but look how it blends well. We have a little mini one right here. Great for all that fun stuff and accent to your shelving unit. Then we got that little wicker basket and we saw how that collapsed. Love all this. So it looks great. And oh my gosh, this is new. You guys, this is new. Oh my goodness. It's like a mini, but see-through. Girls, oh my god. So again, if you're loving everything that you're seeing, you know the best part is to join in the pink bubble. Think about becoming a consultant yourself. I'd be honored if you decided to join with me or one of the amazing people on Team Possible. This is what you're gonna get, and there's so much more. And again, also insiders, if you want to host a party or if you want to just shop, mystery link is down below for you guys to get in on entry on all the good fun. Now, don't forget Bag Babe TV every Saturday, and if you want more, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big like, and comment down below. Here's some playlists to check and more fall stuff coming your way.